Hello friends. Today we are repairing a microwave LG. The full name you can see on the screen now. They brought it and said that it stopped working. Let's open the door and see what's inside. Inside you can see that there is a broken and burnt plate. It is also called mica. Since we have a damaged plate of Vluda, we need to disassemble the microwave and check the condition of the magnetron, because it may be damaged. Now I will disassemble the microwave and see together what is inside. What do we see inside? Friends, here we have a thermal fuse. It is in perfect order. Next we have another fuse at the microwave input and it is also in order. And here we have a magnetron. In order to unscrew it, you need to unscrew 4 screws. Let's look at its name. Maybe you will need this information. Let's look at the condition of the magnetron cap. The cap is slightly melted, but it's not scary. You need to take sandpaper and erase all the carbon on it. The main thing is that there are no holes in the cap. Next, I'll wipe it with isopropanol and put it back in place. After installing the magnetron, you will need to find exactly the same mica. So I replaced the mica and now let's turn on the microwave. As you can see, steam has formed on the mug, which means that the microwave is heating up the water. That's it friends, the microwave is repaired. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to put a thumbs up. See you in the next videos.